Hey, 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 your Pampered Chef consultant here. Today for dinner, we are using our quick cooker. We are going to be making a chicken tacos with spicy jalapeno beans and a whiny puppy. What do you need? And with guacamole for appetizer. Oh my gosh, please stop. Dogs, they don't care that you're filming. With a beer. So we're gonna start with our guacamole. And so we'll take our avocado, take your quick cut paring knife, or I think that's what this is, or utility knife, coated utility knife. Sorry, my bad. So many knives we have in Pampered Chef. Alrighty then, cut around. It's nice and sharp. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. Scoop out the little pitty pits. I like to save the pits because I like to put them in the center of my avocado or my guacamole so that it doesn't go bad while you're eating it. Ooh. I think we're... Sorry, I'm like super particular about my guac. Anyways. I don't like the little moldy bits. Or the seed part. Anyways. Okay. So once you got your guac in there, we can put our bowl in front of us. We'll take our little cilantro, and with our, these are actually the salad choppers, you will, hold on, move over here. Take your cilantro we pre-washed and chop it like that. I know this isn't the most accurate, but you know, why not, right? Or you can just do like this. Pretty good. Pretty good. Chop, chop, chop. Something to that effect. Probably not the best item to be using. But, you know what? Actually, if you want to make it a little finer, you can throw it in your food processor. Throw the lid on and go to town on it. That's pretty good. All right. Careful, this blade is very sharp. Now you grab your little tiddly bits. As you can see, they're nice and chippity chopped. Sprinkle your cilantro in there. For those of you that hate cilantro, just don't add it. Hold on, washing that out. All right, moving on. Next, throw that over there. Okay, next we're gonna do our tomato. So you'll take your little tomato, take your slicer, slice and down and wiggle, wiggle. Gotta find the grooves. There we go. Whew, look at that. And then you want to do it again. Come back up. Bring it down. I don't know if this is gonna work. Hey, trial and error, right? This is how we all learn. Do your best. Cooking in the kitchen, look at that. It's pretty good. Cooking in the kitchen's not about being perfect. It's just about having fun. All right, so turn that over. I think that's pretty decent. I mean, if you want a finer chop, you can just, you know, take your little knife, throw it through there. take those bigger bits. But overall, I would say that's a pretty good chop. Look at that. Pretty impressed with that little tool. Okay, so throw your little tomatoes in there. Call that a day. Next, we're gonna move on to our lime. I like to roll the lime a little bit before squeezing it. So my citrus press is on its way. And you know, obviously orders are backed up. Can you see? So we gotta squeeze it in here the old-fashioned way. Like barbarians. All right, great. Perfect, you can also slice up a little lime for your beer. Careful, this knife is incredibly sharp. I already cut myself today, so, you know. But anywho, that's that. Next, we're moving on to the onion. Now, I know a lot of people, pretty much everyone in the world, cries when chopping an onion. Well, no more, because if you just, you know, chop in these little bits like this, a little bit more, a couple, just to make sure it's fine enough. Perfect. Take your food processor, throw the onion bits in here. I'm actually so stoked about this cool little food processor because obviously it's new-ish and I've never used it before. And so when it came in my kit, I was very excited because new toys. Yeah, definitely a cool little gizmo. So you put it all in there, then you just go to town. Look at that. For those of you that like them minced really good, I think this is your new tool. Cause wowza, holy mackerel, look at that. That is, that's minced. That's minced for sure. Obviously we're not gonna use all of this onion cause that's a lot of onion, but good.
You put a little more.
A little more.
There you go.
All right. Do we need that for anything else? No, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll take a little pinch of salt. Oh, the jalapeno. Oy vey. Do you want to grab it?
Yes.
Not lying. I use that thing almost daily at home. It's okay, it's fine. Forget about the jalapeno. So instead, we're gonna try to use the mix and chop. Don't know how it's gonna go because, why are you crying? Sit down. Don't know how it's gonna go, but we can always mix it in with a spoon. Did you find them? We can add it in later. Will you rinse out the onion out of here? Oh, it's actually working, so I'm impressed.
Wow. Oh, it's working really well.
Wow, I think it needs a little more tomato. A little more of that in there. is that? Well, good to know if you don't have your mix and mash, you can use your mix and chop to make guacamole, because
It works.
it works. Look at that. Obviously the mix and mash is just easier to get like goopy goops out of the center, because this is not meant for that, but it still works. So we're still happy about it. Look at that, perfect guac. Now we're just gonna add the jalapeno, because
I'm gonna kick it up a notch.
kick it up a little bit. Oh, Jesus. You almost cutting myself. Please be careful, guys. These knives are no joke. They are so sharp. Okay, we're only gonna use half of the jalapeno because we're not trying to light our butts on fire today. Hey, just being honest. Am I right? Am I right? When you're right, you're right. Anywho, back in the chopper it goes. Put that here. Move that. Let's get rid of these tiddlywinks. Let's keep a nice clean space. And chippity chop it up. Look at that. This thing is so cool. It keeps amazing me. I am impressed for sure. Oh, that is spicy. I can smell it. Mix that in. I might get a little more salt. Maybe add some pepper. Let's add some pepper. Do we have any? I like a bit of pepper in my guac. All right, our appetizer is complete. Just need the chips. Let's see, is it any good? You gotta come be my taste tester?
I will.
Come on, come taste it. If it tastes gross, I'm sorry.
Mmm.
Pretty good?
Oh, it's delicious.
All right, great. So that's how you make guacamole.
Thanks, Pampered Chef.
And that's how you make Pampered Chef guacamole. Well, really just Amanda guacamole with Pampered Chef tools, but you know,